Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a message with the nod effect on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this is a feature that's available on iOS 18. So if you haven't updated your iPhone, you'll need to update it to iOS 18. And once you updated your iPhone to iOS 18, simply go ahead and open up the Messages app and then find a contact that you like to send that nod effect message to. So I'm going to select one here. And then we're going to go ahead and click on it to type up our message. But before we type it up, we're going to click on this icon that's going to be on the corner here that looks almost like an A. If you tap on it, it'll open up another menu that will give us the option to go ahead and basically send a text message with the nod effect. So if I click on it and I say something like this, as you can see, it will nod. So I can click on that. And now I'll be able to send them a message with that nod effect going on, just like that. So that's how you send a message with the non-special effect on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices, especially on iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.